Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. We're going to be making braised pigskin daikon in fish balls. This is my dad's recipe and it's absolutely delicious. We're making a large batch for our family dinner tonight, so let's get cooking. Here are the main ingredients for today's recipe. 3 to 4 medium-sized daikon, 1.2 pounds of pork skin, and 1.7 pounds of fish balls. You can use whatever fish balls you prefer, but the first thing we're going to need to do is scrape the skin off the daikons and rinse them clean. We love eating daikon for its sweetness, but we also love eating daikon for its many health benefits. Cut the daikon into smaller pieces. As you can see, it is winter here in Canada and snow has completely covered my backyard garden. However, look closely, the green onion is still standing tall. Rinse and cut 4 to 5 long, big green onion. Scrape off the bitter outer skin of an orange. Julienne 4 pieces of the orange peel. The orange peel will add a fresh and zesty taste to our dish. Add 3 tablespoons oil to a large pot on high heat. Rinse and drain the fish balls. Add the fish balls to the pot and sauté to coat the fish balls with hot oil. Add 2 cups of water to the pot. Add the daikon and orange peel to the pot and mix well. Now let's add the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, add 1 tablespoon of salt, add 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, mix everything together well. Then cover and simmer on low-medium heat until the daikon starts to soften. Mix it every 10 minutes and check to make sure that the daikon doesn't get too soft. Now let's prep the pigskin. What's great about the pigskin is that it soaks up all the juice and flavor from the sauce. The first thing you need to do is give the pigskin a quick hot boiled water bath. Remove the pigskin from the hot water and set it aside to cool down. Remember to check in on the daikon and fish balls. Mix it to ensure that it all cooks evenly. Cut the pigskin into smaller pieces. You will also need to remove the dirty debris inside the pigskin. This is how the inside of the pigskin should look like. This pigskin is dirty on the inside and the debris needs to be removed. When you put the pigskin in the hot water bath, it will loosen the debris and will make it easier to remove. When you notice that the daikon starts to soften, this is the best time to add the pigskin. Mix everything together well and cover. Simmer until the pigskin starts to soften and soaks up all that delicious sauce. The key is to remember to mix everything together well throughout the cooking process. Once everything softens, we can add the green onion. This is a good time to do a taste test. Add more seasoning if you like. Once you have the seasoning to your liking, add the green onion and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix everything together well, and you can serve this as a snack or you can serve it with rice or noodles for lunch or dinner. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious and healthy recipe. Remember not to let the pigskin get too mushy. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.